Finnish smartphone maker HMD Global is reportedly preparing to launch the successor to the HMD Luma smartphone as HMD Luma 2. And before the official debut, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a Twitter user that revealed a rear panel of the smartphone, including key specifications. According to leaked renders and other rumors, the HMD Luma 2 will feature a 6.75-inch HD Plus IPS display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Uni-SoC T70-280 chipset, paired with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it will have 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage with up to 1 TB microSD card expansion support. In the camera department, the HMD Luma 2 will sport a 50-megapixel primary camera along with the AI lens, and for selfies it will have an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The device is said to come equipped by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support, and it will run on Android 16 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone will feature a 3.5mm headphone jack and speakers with OZO audio support, and it will be IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. Apart from this, the phone is also suggested to come in ice blue, light sand, and midnight lake color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the HMD Luma 2 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in our next video.